Today we are breaking down two key security concepts. Authentication confirms who you are, while authorization decides what you can do. Think of it as a key versus a badge. Both keep your data safe. Plain text passwords are a big security risk, but with Python's hashlib, we can easily create secure hashes. This transforms your credentials. Protecting your users is that simple. This is a JSON Web Token, or JWT. It has a header, payload, and signature. It allows for secure, stateless logins. Check the docs to learn more. Today we are looking at role-based access control. Guests can only read content but cannot make changes. Admins get full access to edit and delete. That is RBAC in a nutshell. Decorators are a powerful way to manage access in Python. By adding a simple role check above our function, we can secure it. Unauthorized requests are instantly blocked before reaching your code. So to wrap up, keep your user data safe by following these simple rules. Never store plain text, use JWT or Auth. Thanks for watching and happy coding.